Welcome to Raj Shikshan Sanstha. Today we are going to learn Applied History Standard 10. In video, we learnt about applied history and our present management of cultural and natural heritage. Today we are going to learn some part of a natural heritage, and our next topic is affiliated professional fields. Natural heritage. Cultural and natural heritage management is one of the main aspects of applied history. The work, conservation, and preservation of the cultural heritage falls under the jurisdiction of the Archaeological Survey of India and India's State Department of Archaeology. The Intact National Trust of Art and Cultural Heritage is actively working in this field. The work of conservation and preservation of a cultural and natural heritage requires participation of experts from various fields. They need to be duly aware of the cultural, social, and political histories of the heritage site. Principles of applied history are useful in creating the awareness among them. Thus, the operation necessary for the conservation, preservation, and development of the heritage site can be handled without causing any change in its original state. The local structure and psychology of the local people, challenges faced by them in the present situation, and their exceptions can be surveyed in detail. Due to precautions can be taken to avoid hurting sentiments of the local people while completing the projects of conservation, preservation, and development of heritage site. Participation of the local people in the project can be facilitated. Systematic plan can be designed to employ the local skills in a creative way and create better opportunities of livelihood. Affiliated professional fields' knowledge of history can be supportive in the decision making with regard to respective legal provisions and public policies in the following fields: museum and archives, preservation and conservation of historical sites, tourism and hospitality, entertainment and mass media. Every field mentioned here requires expert personnel with a specialized skill. Historians, archaeologists, museum curator, sociologist, archive management professionals, legal experts, skilled photographer, etc. Of course, this is just a representative list. The help of experts from a many more field is required. These experts use need to have a adequate knowledge of the ancient sites, the historical background of the structural remains and artifacts. Project in the field of applied history can create various opportunities for these professionals. In this lesson, we learnt about the role of applied history in public training programs for under training, the importance of history for creating social awareness regarding the conservation preservation of our cultural and natural heritage, using knowledge of history for this purpose to enhance the professional skills of a people and to develop industrial commercial field to carry out preparatory work and plan for a effective implementation of heritage project, etc. It is essential to avoid vandalizing of historic and public places and to ensure that they are preserved for the benefit of future generation. So our applied history lesson is finished. Write down the exercise in your notebook. Till then, enjoy learning. Thank you.